guys, I would like to show you how to make a hole using a reciprocating saw, not a skill saw or a saw. This is reciprocating saw. So when you put a blade, just remove the battery, you know, just be safe. Oops. I was gonna put gloves, but it's okay. Here. Right? So when I'm changing the blade, I just like to remove the battery. That's just me though. When making a hole, I wish I have a cutting stand, but I'm just using this and it's moved a lot. But that's not the point. I'm gonna show you how to make a hole here. I like to use a metal blade when doing this to have a clean cut. So nakikita ba ako? Hindi naman naman. Alright, so here we go. I like to, some guys they like to do it fast and the blade is just all over. This is the only blade I have, but I prefer to use the smaller blade. Alright, but once you're familiar with the tool, you can do it easy. I like to use this metal blade to have a clean cut. I like to start slow, and then I let the drill do the work. I don't stress my hands, so you don't get carpal tunnel. Just let the drill work, let the battery use the power. Just like that. So I guess my blade is getting dull, as you can see on the smoke. Thank you.